Hi, I'm Dareallesley, and today I'm coming with another tutorial. This time it's the iParty dance challenge, which looks like this. So first off, you're going to do heel toe, heel toe, heel toe move, and you can move any direction. And you can also start on the right and left and either switch side or keep on the same side. It's up to you. So we're going to go 1, 2 and 3, move, and 1 and 2 and 3, move, and 1 and 2 and 3, move. Okay, you're going to do that 3 times. From there, you're going to grab your right arm and you're going to boom, push it to the side here and hold this position for 1, 2, 3 and come up on 4. So you jump back. So again, 1, drop on 2, 3, come up on 4. From here, the next step, you're going to go brush, tap, up, brush, tap, up. Then we're going to go heel to the side, come back, and then we're going to jump to reset ourselves. And again, brush, ha, ha, brush, ha, ha, heel, and drop and up. To the other side, you're going to go brush, ha, ha, brush, ha, ha. Then we're going to go flick and boom, up. The second time, when you jump, you're going to jump to the side, boom, yes? And you're going to stand straight, and then we're going to do our head isolation. Ba, 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 ba. Now you're going to feel super funny, but it's okay. The bigger and the more you can exaggerate this, the better. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to go boom, drop the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, ha, and drop, okay? And that's literally the end, okay? So we're going to go and repeat it now. Right, so from the top, 5. So we're going to go 5, 6, and start on 7. 7, ha, ha, boom, 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 ha, 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 boom, 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 ha, ha, boom, 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 boom. Then you're going to grab, drop and up. Then we go tap, 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 and boom, and drop, and again, and tap, 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 and heel, and drop, turn to the side, tap, 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 boom, and drop, boom, 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 and drop, okay? So now we're gonna try it with the music.